Okay, today we are making homemade bird feeders out of pine cones
and bird seed.
And the first thing you want to do is take some fishing string and tie it onto the pine cone.
Or any string.
Take some peanut butter. We heated it up a little bit so it'd be easier to spread.
Okay, you ready?
Dip it in the bird seed. And
then there you go.
And there you go.
There's a homemade bird feeder.
Alright.
That melts.
Yep. We got the peanut butter a little bit too soft, so you can do it without heating the peanut butter up, but
it might be a little hard.
It's a little harder.
Yeah.
So, and there you go. Here is your
There's a thing behind you.
homemade bird feeder.
What behind me?